So today I will be taking you guys through the process of my faux lock wig. And no, this is not a tutorial, but if you would like to see, I'm gonna need way more subscribers than what I have. So before, it was like, 613 from the root, and what I did was dye the roots a custom honey blonde type color because I was scared to do 613 straight from the root. I've never done that before. And of course, I let it sit for a while. I washed it out, shampoo, conditioner, let it dry, and this was the final results of that. It was really, really pretty. Like, I would wear that without the faux locks. Like, that's a pretty combination. This was the final results of my wig. It took a lot of work, especially the size. I did them so small, but this is how I looked when I got it applied. And Gifted Touch did my hair, by the way. I will leave her information at the bottom, and I'll just be having different clips of me showing off the hairstyle and different styles and pictures. Yes, I do make wigs for other people. My website will be posted very soon because it's under construction, but I offer full lace wigs and frontal lace wigs, which is the cheaper option for a full lace wig because it is very costly, but it took a lot of work and it's very good work, so you see how that play out. But I really love my hair and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.